So the big news is that Google has released its new folding phone, the Pixel Fold, which is entering the market and competing against Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold.
Yes, and while the Pixel Fold has some impressive features, it appears to be lagging behind Samsung in several areas, especially since Samsung has had a 4-year head start in this market. One major difference is the Z Fold's ability to run up to 4 apps on its screen simultaneously, while the Pixel Fold only allows for basic split-screen usage.
This extra freedom in multitasking can be overwhelming for some, but it's a great option to have for those who need it. The Z Fold also offers a floating window option, which allows you to launch another app on top of 3 other apps already in use.
This feature is particularly useful when you need to use one app temporarily without having to go back to the home screen or close an existing app. It's a feature that the Pixel Fold doesn't offer.
Z Fold's support for Samsung's S Pen stylus, which is great for taking notes or signing documents. This is another feature that the Pixel Fold doesn't have.
Another key difference is the Z Fold's ability to support a full desktop experience when connected to an external display. This means you can plug in a monitor, keyboard, and mouse and use your phone like a computer.
That's right. The writer even wrote, edited, and published their article using the Z Fold in desktop mode. The Pixel Fold doesn't offer anything like this, not even simple screen mirroring over a USB-C.
Overall, the Z Fold seems to offer more options and flexibility when it comes to multitasking and productivity compared to the Pixel Fold. It's not to say the Pixel Fold isn't a good phone, but it just doesn't offer the same level of features as the Z Fold.
And as we mentioned earlier, it ultimately comes down to personal preference and what you prioritize in a folding phone.
Exactly. One major difference between the two phones is the layout of widgets and app shortcuts on the cover screen. With the Z Fold, you can have a different layout for the cover screen and inside screen, making it easier to use for different tasks, whereas the Pixel Fold just mirrors the same layout between its two screens.
Another feature that the Z Fold has over the Pixel Fold is the ability to save pairs of apps that will always launch together in a split view. This is a great feature for multitasking, and unfortunately, the Pixel Fold doesn't offer this option.
And while software differences can be caught up quickly by Google, hardware design and features take time to adjust. So we'll have to wait and see if subsequent generations of the Pixel Fold make any adjustments to their hardware to compete with Samsung.
The Z Fold 4's inside screen is much better suited for the majority of Android applications and is more enjoyable to use.
And despite having the same size inside screens, the Z Fold 4 is both lighter and smaller than the Pixel Fold, making it more comfortable to hold.
On the other hand, Samsung has been iterating and improving on its foldables since 2019. And it's not surprising that they are ahead of Google in many areas. However, it's great to see some competition in the market to shake Samsung from its complacency.
And ultimately, while the Pixel Fold may have a more usable outer display, there are still compromises that come with it. The Z Fold executes on the idea of a folding computer that you can take with you everywhere better than Google for now. It's exciting to see how this market will continue to evolve in the future as both companies push the boundaries of technology.
Thanks for tuning in, everyone. We'll catch you next time.